Amaphoyisa eWestern Cape athi nomsebenzi uqinisekisa ukuthi umphakathi uphephile. Lesi sifundazwe sikhahlanyezwe ubugebengu obunodlame noba amaqembu emgulukudu. Amaphoyisa athi imikhankaso kulwa nobugebengu eqale eMitchells Plain izofaka phakathi nokugasela imizi okukholakala ukuthi imgulukudu ibhace kuyo.
Our focus is to get the illegal firearms and also ensuring that those who have legal firearms, they are compliant, if they're complying with the law. We want to get rid of the drugs. We're focusing on the gang leaders and gang members and the hotspot areas where the more shootings and the violence has been happening.
Umphakathi ukwamukela ukujutshwa kwamasosha.
Most definitely, because the shootings is not stopping and we go to bed with these gunshots and shootings taking place. We stand up with the killings and gunshots taking place. So the fact that the shootings and the gang fight is not stopping between these gangs is definitely, it's not peace.
Kepha kunokukhathazeka ngesibalo esincane samasosha ajutshwe kulesi sifundazwe ukuthi ngenzeka kusale ngaphandle ezinye izindawo ezinobugebengu nokuthi umsebenzi wawo ungase uphazamiseke ngenxa yokugqoza kugadizili nophethiloli.
We've heard that, at the beginning they said 800 soldiers. This morning we heard, or last night rather, we heard that it's 547. And then this morning we were told that it's just over 200. So we're concerned about those numbers. And then lastly, we also heard that there might be a fuel shortage for the SANDF, which obviously is not a good thing at the beginning of an operation like this.
Yize kwamukela ukujutshwa kwamasosha, uhulumeni waseWestern Cape uxwayise ngokuthi lokho angeke kube isixazululo sesikhathi eside njengoba lamasosha ejutshwa uqapha ubelelesi unyaka kuphela.